Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Badlands. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine. Comes equipped with the two-door body style and has the high luxury package with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receivers, full-size spare tire with your backup camera. We got a nice blacked out roof, high fender flares, we got rock rails as well, blind spot detection, side view camera. We do get remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months. Recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see we do get plenty of cargo space. You have hooks and doodads to hold all your gear down, 12-volt lights, body's molded to the outside coloring, sound deadening headliner for your hard top so you can keep all exterior noise out, with your additional storage below, and you can collapse your last row by just pulling on these little hooks. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same vinyl interior you'll find in the back, all nice blacked and grayed out. Bronco logo on the front two seats. To get to the back, you just pull this forward, slide your seat forward, and you have additional two seats in the back with floor mats. You also do get a nice vinyl floor interior, which is pretty nice. Cargo net, lights, parking brake, trunk, nice little grab handle here, as well as here on the new 2026 models. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we got that nice vinyl wrapped steering wheel, phone, voice, toggle for your screen, playback, play forward, volume and cruise control. We do get a B&O sound system in this vehicle, and looking at this main screen here, we do get our main screen setup, which has my view, trip and feel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, goat modes, four-wheel drive and trail control, windows and mirrors. We got cup holders, nice little grab handle there, and there for the passenger, and you get your storage below as well with a 12-volt. Got some storage here with some outlets, dual climate up front with heated front seats and steering wheel. Auto stop at third, park sensing, 360 view of the vehicle with storage below, above, front locking diff, rear locking diff, trailer turn, traction, and hazards. We do get upfitter switches as well, which is all pretty handy. And looking at our screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got your phone controls right here. Your navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent, saved, have your audio open at the same time. Any apps you may download will also show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA43605, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.